10 fastest boats in the world. Spirit of Australia, the fastest boat in the world, clocking in at 318.75 miles per hour, 511.11 kilometers per hour, in 1978. The Gentry Eagle, an offshore racing boat that set a speed record of 277.5 miles per hour, 446.9 kilometers per hour, in 1989. Problem Child, a hydroplane boat that set a speed record of 262 miles per hour, 422 kilometers per hour, in 2019. Longbow, a hydroplane boat that set a speed record of 258.7 miles per hour, 416.4 kilometers per hour, in 2018. Hoppie Too, a hydroplane boat that set a speed record of 242 miles per hour, 389